Everywhere, there are luxury SUVs, but none have the combination of style, comfort, and efficiency that Lexus offers. The Lexus RS 350h 2026 is the next generation of the Lexus most successful SUV. Now sharper, smarter, and finer than ever. We will discuss all of that in this video. The hybrid engine, design improvements, technological specifications, price and release date. And hang on the end, as we will compare it to some of its major competitors such as BMW X5 and Acura MDX to determine whether the RX 350h has retained its title. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. A 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine, which includes the sophisticated electronic drive system of Lexus, provides the RX 350h with approximately 246 horsepower. It is not the quickest of its kind, but it is not the point. This SUV is all about being smooth, effective and confident in silence. Its combined miles per gallon estimate is 36. And this is better than most luxury competitors can achieve. The car has all-wheel drive and Lexus has provided the tuning of the suspension that makes the ride comfortable and composed. Fits best on long trips on the highway or driving in the city. And now we should discuss design. As the RX has always been a statement vehicle, the 2026 model has a sharper appearance and more aggressive front grille, thinner triple beam LED headlights and a more sculpted hood. On the side, the coupe-like roofline and 21-inch alloy wheels offer it a sporty advantage, and the rear has been finished up with a full-width LED lights bar and clean Lexus badges. It is classy, it is contemporary, and it distinctly stands out without being excessive. Enter, and this is where the RX 350h really takes off. The interior is coated in high quality leather, real wood and aluminium decorations, and its design is luxurious enough to compete with the Germans. At the front is a massive 14-inch touchscreen which has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, supported by the upgraded voice assistant in Lexus. A 12.3-inch digital driver screen is an additional touch of modernity and an upgrade to higher trims. Offers heated and ventilated seating, ambient lighting, a panoramic roof, and a 21-speaker Mark 11 Sun premium sound system. And naturally, Lexus Safety System 3.0 is included: adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera in case you want to be quite sure. The Lexus RX 350h will begin at approximately $52,000 US, and higher models, the luxury and F Sport versions, may hit near $65,000 US. Its debut is scheduled at the end of 2025, and sales will begin at the beginning of 2026 in the international market. The Lexus RX 350h 2026 provides precisely what customers desire in Lexus, which is comfort, efficiency, and luxury at a more accessible price point compared to most of its competitors. However, the question is the following: would you choose the RX 350h to a BMW X5 hybrid or an Acura MDX hybrid? Comment your decision. I would like to see your opinion. Remember to hit like, subscribe to Motorize, and ring the bell so that you do not miss any of our future luxury SUV reviews. Thank you so much. And that is all. Next time I will see you.